Hello, I'm Don Stevenson, CEO of Iona Tech, and I'm here to introduce the Static Band, the world's first wearable and wireless body voltage monitor. This device gives me complete mobility to move around the workplace, while it streams my voltage data to a mobile app for analysis. Its audible alarms identify when my voltage exceeds a programmed threshold and when body model ESD events as low as 100 volts occur. Included in the box is the static band, a USB charging cable, a zeroing disc, and a quick start guide. The guide includes QR links to both online user manual and installation of the mobile app. To start using the static band, I'll strap it to my upper arm like this. I've ensured that the sensor on the band points away from my body and remains unobscured by my clothing. To get the most accurate body voltage measurement, it is important to wear ESD-rated electrically conductive clothing. If I wear synthetic clothing, the local charge on the fabric near the band will register as a voltage offset even when my body is grounded. If wearing ESD clothing is not an option, garments made of pure cotton can provide reasonable results. Once the static band is secured to my arm, I can turn the device on with a long press of the power button. When the mode LED is yellow, the band is in muted mode. Here the alarms will not sound, but measurement data will still be transmitted over Bluetooth. With a single press of the power button, the mode LED turns green and audible alarms are enabled. The Iona Tech mobile app, available for Android and iOS, provides further visibility into my precise body voltage. Open the app and select the correct static band from the list of available devices. The Bluetooth LED on this device turns on. The plot in the app displays my body voltage in real time, viewable on different timescales. When I step off this ESD mat, you can see that my voltage spikes up to 500 volts. If I touch a grounded object, I'm alerted of an ESD event, both in the app and with an audible alarm. To ensure that I'm warned of this danger before it occurs, I can change the alarm voltage threshold via the settings menu. I'll lower the threshold to 300 volts and ensure alarms are enabled. Here I can also change the alarm volume or disable ESD event detection. Now when I step off the ESD mat, I hear a loud alarm that alerts me of the impending ESD event. The sensor on the static band can be zeroed with the included zero disc. Just place the disc over the electric field mill cross and press down gently on the pin side until the device beeps twice. If the static band shows unexpected voltage levels after zeroing, there's likely a presence of charge in your environment, whether on nearby electrical insulators or non-ESD compliant clothing. The presence of this charge in the ESD-protected area could result in unwanted ESD events and therefore should be addressed. The static band provides traceability of employees' body voltage wherever they travel in the workplace. At the start of the shift, I can press the record button from the voltage page. When I stop the recording, a CSV file is generated, which can be used to assess my ESD compliance throughout the day. The same functionality of the mobile app is available within a Chrome browser from any Bluetooth-enabled computer. Please contact Iona Tech for installation of a custom hub network, which allows ESD managers to track the voltage history of the entire workforce and receive real-time alerts as soon as ESD events occur. We hope you find this product as useful for protecting your organization from ESD as we do. Please reach out if you have any questions regarding the use of your new static band.